Hi, today I'm going to show you how to bake chocolate beehives. So our ingredients are all-purpose flour, chocolate powder, baking powder, baking soda, salt, eggs, water, the butter, and the vanilla, and of course the sugar. I forgot to show it to you. Now, our first step is to mix all the dry ingredients. So what I'm doing now is I pour the baking powder next to baking soda. It's kind of sticky, so I use my finger to remove it from the plate. It's okay, I wash my hands. Next is the salt. Yes, it's kind of sticky too, so I did the same procedure using my thumb. And of course, you don't have to forget to wash your hands before doing the procedure. And then next, I poured the chocolate powder. hmm So after mixing all the dry ingredients, let me see. Yes, you cream the butter until soft. So what I'm doing now is put the butter properly on the mixer. Look, I'm fixing it. So look, okay. So that's how we do it. Then turn on the mixer and make the butter, I mean, cream the butter until soft. So that's it. Our mixer is doing great. hmm Next is pour the sugar inside the bowl and then turn on the mixer and mix it. Mix it until it become what do you call this? Fluffy. Yes, fluffy. It's the name of a Pokemon. Well, anyways, so look, our ingredient is now fluffy. Next, we have to do is put the eggs. So as you can see, 3 eggs. Yes, that's our ingredients. Pour the eggs inside a bowl. Mhm. Mhm. I'm doing my best. Okay, then turn on the mixer. Well, you can also no, you can also continue mixing. I mean, continue the to leave the mixer on because I'm turning it off because I'm using my cell phone to video this, take a video, whatsoever. Next, what's next? I'm waiting. Oh yeah, you have to continue mixing until it become soft and the sugar is properly dissolved. And then add the dry ingredients alternately with the water and the vanilla. So what I did, I pour the some of our flour ingredients, dry ingredients. and then another more. Still. Then I turned on the mixer and mix, 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 mix. Then after that, I I I pour some water, yes, to to make the mixing smooth because I poured I think a lot of dry ingredients, so it it made the mixer. I mean, it made the mixing harder for the mixer to mix. Okay, then what I did is poured the vanilla. That is and then the water again because you have to do it alternately. Then the dry ingredients again. Then after that, continue mixing. Look, it's already done, almost done. So that's how it looks like. It's kinda, I don't know what the color. It's not brown. It's not black. It's blackish brown. I don't know. As long as it it's brown and black. And then yeah, on a muffin pan you have to put what do you call this, paper cups. Yes, on every hole, on every, yes, and then put the pour small, no, um a desired amount of our mixture on the pan. So that's how you do it. It's so easy. I mean, this cake is very easy to make. hmm Then voila, almost done. There you go. So that's our last. What you call that? I didn't know the term. Our last then. Okay. Put I mean, place the the pan inside our oven and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, the temperature is 350-degree Fahrenheit. You don't have to forget that 350-degree Fahrenheit. Then after 10 to 15 minutes, remove the pan and voila, it's already cooked. It's all done. Well, it's not cooked because we're not cooking. We are baking, so look, it's so cute. It's so yummy to look at. And then um put it set it aside, let it cool, and after cooling, place it in a large container. So what I'm doing is uh what I said, place it in a large container where you can line all the cupcakes. Yeah, we can call these cupcakes because it looks like a cupcake, but it's a chocolate beehive. And place an icing. I don't know how to make the icing, so my mother made it for me, and it's my job to to design it on top of our cupcakes, our chocolate beehive. So that's how you do it. hmm Swirl, swirl, and point. Swirl and point. hmm Then after placing all um, putting toppings, then you add. Well, this is my style. Actually, there is no chocolate syrup added, but it's my choice to put chocolate syrup so to make it. Oh, it's so pretty. Look, okay, it's so yummy to look at now. Wow, amazing. Oh, I'm so craving to eat it now. Oh my gosh, I like it. I like it.